What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for tuning back in. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are weight gain hacks, weight maintenance hacks, talks about maca root extract to be specific, get it how you live vitality, maca extract, how to grow longer hair, 4C hair specifically, skincare reviews, skincare products, skincare hacks, and just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. If you are consistent and you do this 2 to 3 times a day, and as little as a week, you can also gain weight. This is without Boost, this is without Ensure, this is without Apetamin. This is me being very, very consistent. As you know, for those of you who've been watching me, I slack when it comes to things. Start things, I don't finish them. My motivation is not always on 100. It has been lately though. I've been a little more motivated just because with everything going on, I realize that this is crunch time. You feel me? So with that being said, I've been more on it. I'll say this though, my slim people, my slim friends, you cannot slack with this. You're more than likely not going to get the results that you want, so you have to stick with it. Shakes. And for those of you who know, I've been buying a lot of my ingredients from the 99-cent store and Walmart. And I've been making shakes without protein powder. I was on ORGAIN protein powder for a minute. I do think it's bomb. Let's be very clear. Just kind of wanted to give it a break and see what would happen if I got off of it. I wasn't making shakes. I wasn't using protein powder at all. Simply using the maca root for all of its benefits. And as a result of not being on top of like eating on time, eating when I should and whatnot, I lost a lot of weight, but I've since gained it back. Now you can do this 2 times a day, 3 times a day. If you do not eat on time, or you skip a meal, which you really shouldn't do, I highly suggest doing the 3 times a day. This right here has been my saving grace. I've only had one today. Second shake. You can make it even better by chilling it, adding ice to it, however you like to drink it. Did add protein powder. I'm back on the protein powder, but literally I just put the protein powder in here, y'all. This is my first time tasting this protein powder, and guess what? I got it from the 99-cent store. It's called plant-based Vega protein and energy with 3 grams of MCT oil, cold brew coffee flavored. Not much of a coffee drinker, but I saw this for $6, $5.99 to be exact, and I said, let me try this. So we gonna see. It does say it's a plant-based protein and has caffeine from coffee, fruit, and espresso. Vega protein and energy is the edge you need to power forward. We gonna see what it's saying. As far as the ingredients, it has pea protein, medium chain triglycerides from coconut oil, golden chlorella, espresso powder, natural flavors, cold brew coffee powder, stevia leaf extract, cocoa powder, processed with alkali, maca root powder. This has maca root powder in it, y'all. Xanthan gum, organic coffee fruit extract, salt, rosemary extract. Okay, like I said with everything, try it and see how it works for you. Moderation. You gonna see, because I'm gonna be drinking this for a week, and in a week I'm gonna come back and show y'all the results of this. I don't always put my maca in here because it has maca root powder, but I think I will sometimes add my maca to it. Today I do have maca in this, and we gonna see. Let me taste it and see how this tastes. So I'm not a coffee drinker, but this isn't bad. I think because I have dates in here, I have cinnamon, I have bananas, and I added a little bit of honey. And so it's giving it a zhuzh. You know how some people can just drink straight up black coffee and they love it. I will not ever be that person. Like I said, I'm not even a coffee drinker. But if it tastes like it has some type of ice cream situation like this does, and like if it has that taste, I'm all for it. And I'm not mad at this. It only has 1 gram of sugar, y'all. 160 calories, 20 grams of protein, 100 milligrams of caffeine. I'm not much of a caffeine drinker either, unless I'm in a mood for some chocolate or something like that, but I don't drink Coke, I don't drink Pepsi, I don't even drink soda like that. I do occasionally have a craving for the blood orange Pellegrino because it's lit. You understand me? Try my hardest just to drink water, shakes. That's what I be on. So we gonna see. Just wanted to see what this Vika protein and energy plant-based protein powder was all about, and I'm not mad at it. I did not do the whole shebang of like, oh, and this has oatmeal in it too. Y'all check out my video that I did, OFFICIALITOHAN's shake. Like I said, I alternate between peanut butter and sometimes I'll do Greek yogurt, but I'll do almond milk for real. Soy milk moderation, I don't even really buy that. I just basically have been making my own shakes, and I have been working out. I've been doing workouts at home that are effective. I don't do anything that, like, I don't do a whole heap of squats and all of that. I don't have time for it. And my knees, I promise you that you will feel the burn in your thighs, in your upper booty, and your side booty. If you notice in the video in the beginning, I've grown some side booty. Looking at the video, I looked at him and I said, wait, behold, the booty of the side. I alarmed myself. Me not playing no games. Me not playing no games. What? Me not playing no games. Nah, me not playing no games. Me not playing no la 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 la. Me not playing no games. Me not playing no games. We not playing no games. Work out with me, y'all. We not playing no games. We gon' gain. We not playing no games. No, we not playing no games. We not playing no la 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 la. We not playing no games. We not playing no games. Who coming in with the harmony? We not playing no games. 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 What? We not playing no la 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 la. No games. We not playing no games. Oh. Anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will most definitely be back with more. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on IG. Follow me at Modesty Lavish on Facebook because I'm trying to build that page. I really appreciate y'all. Hit that bell for notifications. Comment, share, subscribe. Please, I see y'all subscribing though. We're not playing no games. We're not playing no games. What? We're not playing no games. No games. You're not playing no la 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 la. You're not playing no games. You're not playing no games. Alright, holla y'all.